gentlemen, with a pregame tradition unrivaled in college football, the University of Tennessee, Pride of the Southland marching band. Flags in the color guard represent each of the schools of the SEC. The orange and white flags are the official flags of the University of Tennessee. And now the Pride salutes the greatest bands in the country. It's great to be a Tennessee ball. Fall Nation, here's the UT Alma Mater March. Southland extends a big orange welcome to our guests from Ball State University as we play their fight song. Now for all our Big Orange fans, here's Starkey time. This year, the Pride of the Southland Band celebrates 153 years of great traditions. Here's one of the oldest Tennessee traditions, the Spirit of the Hill. Okay, ball fans, it's time to show your Big Orange spirit with the ball spellouts as the Pride forms the power team for Tennessee. Here's your drum major, Julia Boylan. Associate Director of the Pride is Dr. Paul Ryan. Assistant to the Directors is Jennifer Walkenbarger. The Pride's auxiliary coordinators are Lindsay Cutt Maples and Laura Williams. Graduate assistants Alex Boone, Julie Bronson, Eli Garcia, Tom Micah, and Hope Williams. The great state of Tennessee is represented by the 16th star, Old Glory's Field of 50, in tribute to the greatest country in the world and her grand old flag. Here is the Stars and Stripes Forever by John Philip Sousa.